Okay, so this is going to be chapter 10.6, part 2. Again, we're just kind of raising the bar here, doing some more difficult problems. So the more factors I have for our A and C values, the tougher it gets. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to, right here for our first example, again, I'm going to move the 15 to the other side. So I'm going to go 6x squared minus 19x plus 15. Again, I'm going to draw my parentheses. Since my C value is positive, I know these are both going to be the same. Since it's a negative sign for my B value, I know they're both going to be subtraction signs. Then again, my first terms have to multiply to give me 6. My last terms have to multiply to give me 15. So the ways I get 6 are 6 and 1, 3 and 2. And then ways I multiply to get 15 are 15 and 1, and 5 and 3. And so again, I just kind of plug them in, and then I test them to see if they work. So I'm going to go 3 and 2, and then 5 and 3. So again, when I do this, do the crab claw, all that really matters is my outside numbers times my inside numbers. So I'm always going to get, I'm always going to get 6x squared. I'm always going to get positive 15 because of the numbers that I choose. So 3x times negative 5 gives me negative 15x. Negative 3 times 2x gives me negative 6x. So I combine these together, and I get negative 21x plus 15. Oops, I didn't mean to make that mark. This is not what I started with at the top. This is not my original problem, so I have to say this doesn't work. And it's not close. It's not like it's the same number with a different sign or anything like that. It's totally wrong. So I go ahead and erase all of this. And then what I want to do is I want to switch these numbers. So I'm going to switch the 5 and the 3. So the 5's over here now, and the 3's over here. When I do that, again, my first and last are always going to be the same. They're going to be correct. Then I get negative 9x. Minus 6x. Oops, no. My bad. Minus, my insides are 10x. Then when I combine those together, I get 6x squared minus 19x plus 15. That's what I started with, so that's correct. So that my binomial here is right. So when I know that's right, then I can go ahead and draw my two separate arrows. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Add a 5, divide by 3. So x is equal to 5/3. Or add 3, divide by 2. X is equal to 3/2. These are my two solutions. And there we go.